Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can backtest in MetaTrader 4, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaTrader 4 app, and once you open it you will be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see settings option at bottom right corner. Just tap over there and now you'll be redirected to the settings section where you can see new account option at top shown in the screen. So once you tap on it, you can see two options in here. First one is open a demo account and another is log into an existing account. For backtesting, you simply need to tap on first option, which is open a demo account, and you can see MetaCodes demo. So once you tap over there, it will ask you for a few of the credentials which you need to fulfill, and you can also change your account information. You can change your account type, you can adjust your leverage, and you can adjust your deposit amount. So once you complete your credentials and everything, you can simply tap on register, which is at top right corner, and you can trade. Also you can say backtest successfully in MetaTrader 4. So basically this is how you can backtest in MetaTrader 4, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.